Here's Sarah, an influencer on the rise with energy to spare and a rock-solid work ethic. Just the other day, she was beyond excited to try out a new restaurant and filmed her experience with her favorite meal. She put it on TikTok, hoping for a good response. And boom, she got a whopping 7 views. Whoa! Good for her that she didn't stop. She made another video with her adorable puppy where she shared her tips for taking care of her new furry friend. This time, her view count climbed to a mind-blowing 9. Now Sarah's packing her bags to hide in a jungle so that no one sees her crying. Maybe Sarah's you, and what you might be missing is an understanding of the TikTok algorithm. But there's no need to run and hide. In this video, we'll break down 10 effective TikTok algorithm hacks that can help you finally get the reach you're after. On TikTok, when you upload a video, it first goes to a small group, which is referred to as Tier 1. If this initial audience reacts positively, the platform shows the video to larger groups up to 4 different tiers. Eventually, if it keeps gaining traction, it can hit Tier 4, where millions of people may see it, which is where videos can go viral. The best part? Every video has the potential to go viral, no matter how many followers you have. TikTok's algorithm prioritizes discovery, so your follower count doesn't play a huge role in how far your video can reach. Of course, larger accounts do tend to get more views because of their built-in audience, but the algorithm gives every video an equal chance. For brands, keeping an eye on which videos perform well and testing various formats is essential to find out what best engages their audience. TikTok has basically become the Google of short-form video, and that means SEO should be a core part of any strategy to boost your views and gain followers on the platform. Start by checking out the hashtags that are popular in your niche and paying attention to the questions you and other creators are getting in the comments. These can be great starting points for keyword ideas. Use those keywords to search for similar content, and look for the others searched for suggestions to get even more keyword inspiration. TikTok's Creative Center is also a treasure trove for spotting trending content, from viral songs to breakout creators. Pick 2 or 3 keywords that align with common searches from your audience. When you're crafting your video, make sure it addresses those key topics directly. Then, as you upload, make your keywords pop by adding them to your video captions, on-screen text, and even the description to maximize reach. An interesting thing about TikTok's algorithm is that it places your channel in a category based on the types of videos you post. While it might not seem like a huge deal at first, there's a theory that this categorization is actually pretty strategic. It's believed that TikTok evaluates your very first 5 videos to decide your channel's focus. So if you start off posting about cats, TikTok might tag your account as a cat content hub. For marketers, this theory suggests that those first 5 videos really count, so they're not ideal for trying out random topics. Instead, it's smart to choose your niche early on and ensure your content lines up with that choice. Set the tone of your brand from the beginning and let those initial videos reflect it. Finding your niche is important if you want to build momentum on TikTok. The algorithm needs a clear sense of what your content is about and who it's for, so it can promote your videos to the right audience. Say you're regularly posting DIY videos on home improvement projects, the algorithm will start to identify your profile as a go-to source for those kinds of topics. Apparently, your content will land in front of users interested in similar DIY projects. Right now, TikTok Creative Center brings you creative patterns to help you find the niche you're looking for. Here, you can see the patterns of different contents in different categories and get the numbers about which content pattern is getting more traction. By analyzing them, you can find your niche. You know what really keeps viewers coming back? It's when they know exactly what they're going to get from your channel. Think about those little signature moves you do at the start of each video. They're like your personal handshake with viewers, which makes them feel right at home. Now on TikTok, things move crazy fast. Skip a day and boom! That viral trend you could have jumped on is already ancient history. That's why everyone's always saying post, post, post. But here's the thing. While staying active is super important, you don't want to put out garbage just to stay relevant. Sometimes one killer video that really hits the mark can do way more for you than a bunch of rushed ones. Sure, everyone talks about grabbing attention and jumping on trends, but at the end of the day, it's about connecting with the right people. The algorithm's job is matching content to viewers, so focus on making stuff that actually speaks to your audience. Creating engaging content is essential, but it only matters if people actually see it. When creating your next TikTok, include 3 to 5 relevant or trending hashtags from TikTok trends. That's the perfect amount for boosting your discoverability. Make sure to use trending audio tracks from TikTok's library and write captions that spark conversations while naturally incorporating keywords. Another effective strategy is using photo carousels, which are great for catching attention as users scroll through their feed. Stay within TikTok's ecosystem by using their native features like video generator and script generator, whether that's filming directly in the app or creating stitches and duets. These are some smart hacks cause TikTok prioritizes contents that are built from scratch within TikTok's app. Once you've built up your content, analyze your metrics carefully with TikTok's ad measurement tool. It helps you look at which videos get rewatched, which ones users share, and what times your audience is most active. This data is key to fine-tuning your content strategy. Let's keep it real. Nobody's sticking around for those horizontal videos squeezed into vertical format. That's just facts. If you're serious about TikTok, you need to shoot specifically for that up and down screen. Speaking of keeping eyes on your content, those snappy yellow subtitles keep your attention going in a manner that you don't even notice. Mix that with some catchy music and hooks that make people stop scrolling, and you're on your way to viral territory. The secret to TikTok isn't just hopping on trends. It's about bringing something new to the table. Sure, you should definitely check out what's hot on the Discover page on TikTok Trends. This will give you real-time data, so you are never out of date. But the real magic happens when you put your own creativity into things. Better yet, cook up your own trend and get people excited about joining in. Teaming up with other TikTokers, particularly the big names in your space, is an impactful approach for growing your audience. When you join forces with creators who share your vibe, you'll cook up some seriously awesome content that'll get people talking. And TikTok's got this cool thing called Creative Exchange that hooks you up with pros who know how to make those authentic-looking TikTok videos for different campaigns. The best part? They'll match you with someone who totally gets your creative vision and what you're trying to do. Think of TikTok as your digital neighborhood, not just some stage to perform on. When you jump in and chat with your followers, hit back on their comments, and team up with other creators, you're building real connections. Plus, once you've got a healthy crew following you, why not spread the love to your other platforms? Your blog, maybe an email list, or your other social accounts? It's smart to branch out and not keep all your followers in one spot. So we've unveiled the 10 effective TikTok algorithm hacks to creating engaging content and maximizing your reach on TikTok. Start using them and see the difference. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.